friend of mine needs some help with some ditches on one of his fields. Needs to have them kind of grubbed out and the bank leveled out a little bit and kind of adjusted. I'm gonna run down with the excavator and go help him out with that. I think it's probably a good opportunity to use the old I-beam blade for that. We need to kind of grab out, like, you know, 2-3 inches off of the ditch, just kind of grub out any of the overgrowth, and then probably do some shaping on the ditch bank to kind of, I think it's a drain ditch, I don't think it's a supply ditch, so need to make sure that it exits the field appropriately and gets into the ditch. So it'll be a good opportunity to use that I-beam. So we're gonna head out there and see if we can help him out. This is a drainage ditch. It's not a supply ditch. It's for the water, excess water, to get off of the field when it's done watering. So that's why we're pulling it out here and just flattening it back into the field on this edge. We're not leaving a berm into that ditch because we want the water to come from the field into the ditch so that it can drain off. So all I'm doing is using my grading blade on the excavator to give me just a slight tilt to the downhill side of this ditch so it stays flowing that direction, which is my left side. So that way as I cut, I'm not leaving bellies or anything like that. I'm just basically just trying to take off the vegetation so that it flows well, doesn't back up. If it backs up into this ditch, it'll back up into the field, and then you'll have pockets that stay soggy. And out here, that'll create very, very alkali conditions for him. And he'll lose half an acre of crop. And it'll just ruin the whole field in that section where it puddles up. So it's important to make sure it drains out well and gets off of there. He's had fall wheat in this. Now he's planting hay over top of that after he's harvested that wheat. So now he'll get this drain done and he'll get it planted. He'll be in good shape. Working awesome for these ditches. I love it. I get a lot bigger pull and I can move through it a lot faster.